I was gonna make this quick video. This is my property. So this is kind of what I have going on right now. I've been working on, I got this pipe from one of my neighbors. I want to make my entrance here a little bit wider. Like where that grass is, that would be part of my driveway turn in. And then I've got this wooded area right here to the left of my driveway. And my property line is right there where those RVs are. There's a little pole right there. That's a property line on my right. Let's see if I can make this video kind of quick. That way I can just send it to you as a text message. And then my driveway circles around. And I've got all this material here that I've piled up over time. Just people brought me, it's like haul off stuff, so I had material. I'll show you why. And then I've got these boulders from a haul off that I had drivers just come and dump on my property. And that's my neighbor's roller. He brought it over and left it, so I put this material in. This is some of that haul off that I put through here. There's my comedy club. Let's see if you can read it. Oh, my stand-up comedy. Yeah, let me lower it. It's pretty high. And this is the side of my chicken area. Let's see. That's back there in the back where the chickens are at. And this part of my driveway curves around, and I've taken some of those boulders and ran them around the sides of my driveway here. And then I've got those boulders there. It's probably not a good video. But anyways, you can either go down or curve right here, but the grass is kind of growing up over the drive, and it looks like a tree branch has fallen into the drive there. So I'll back up. Anyways, and then you go back out, and there's those RVs that were on my right when I was coming in. So that's it.